What was that? I heard a strange noise. It is a very gloomy afternoon.
I heard a loud thump.
Is there a ghost in the house?
Pana?
I must be very brave. Look at that big shadow.
Ooh. I need to find the mystery. Whew. The light is very powerful. Yeah.
Are the children playing a trick? The weather is very chilly. Something is shivering in there.
What is hiding in the box? Oh, it is just a tiny kitten.
I feel so much relief now.
You are safe with me, little one. Let's get out of the rain. Oh, we need to dry your fur. The kitten is purring loudly.
Are you a thirsty kitten? This milk is very creamy.
The kitten is very hungry.
Nova will be so surprised. Who surprised?
I solved the mystery today. Oh. I need a delicious snack now. Crunch. This is a sweet treat. The storm is finally over. Everything is all right now. The house is very cozy. Huck is looking psych. I love reading in the evening. This book is very interesting. Everything is silent tonight. The moon is round, and the stars are tiny. I will have sweet dreams. The mind is resting during the night. Oh, I kept my home tidy today. A new day is beginning now.
The clock shows 7 in the morning.
Life is Life is very wonderful. Everything is perfect now. Mysteries are fun. Goodbye. The kitten has a home now. Listen to the little chime. Nutritious food is important. Cats love to play with yarn. Oops! Tiny paws are wet. Look at the colorful rainbow. Woo! The world is full of beauty. I love my new little friend. Everything looks very neat. Water is a healthy drink. It is time to sleep now. This blanket. This blanket is very soft. Good night to everyone. The world is quiet, and the moon is bright. The shadows are long, and the house is quiet. The mind is resting in a quiet body. The kitchen is clean, and the house is tidy. A new morning is here again. The clock shows 7 in the morning. The room is warm, and the light is bright. Everything is almost finished now. I love my new kitten. Goodbye. The kitten is awake for the morning. The kitten has a place in our family. The street is beautiful and safe. The house is full of joy and a good noise. Our discovery was a great adventure. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.